even, you know, with a massive career change like I went through, and I probably bit off more than I could chew transitioning, taking on consultancies and managing a number of artists and trying to do everything and have two kids and all this kind of stuff. And I remember going to a counseling session just to try to get it clear. And I gave her a David Bowie lyric. I was like, I am this lyric. And it's off of the song 5 Years on the Ziggy Stardust album. So it's basically, you know, it's like, my brain is like a warehouse. I had no room to spare. I had to cram so many things to store anything in there. And I was like, that's me. Help me. So she's like, okay, we're just going to take all the things out and we're going to sort them into piles. And, you know, it just helps. It takes something that can feel like you're catastrophizing it and simplifies it, and gives you a plan to start. And just, you know, I've worked with a counselor who's like, she's like, I'm not going to try to solve everything, you know. But we're going to come in and we're going to deal with what's most pressing at this moment. And I think that that's brilliant.